The account is too new message in Cash Giraffe usually means the app hasn't determined that your account is eligible for a particular feature or reward yet. It doesn't always mean your account is broken. By the end, you'll know why this message appears, what you can do to resolve it, and which mistakes to avoid while waiting for your account to qualify. The first thing to check is whether you're using your original Cash Giraffe account. If you've recently reinstalled the app, switched devices, or signed in with a different account, the system may treat the account as a new user. Make sure you're using the same login method you originally registered with if the app supports account sign-in. Next, give the account time to establish normal activity. Some features are available only after your account has been active long enough to meet the app's eligibility requirements. If the message specifically says your account is too new, there usually isn't a setting you can change to remove it immediately. While you're waiting, continue using the app normally. Launch games through Cash Giraffe, complete eligible gameplay sessions, and allow the app to track your activity according to its normal earning process. Consistent, legitimate use is more helpful than repeatedly reinstalling the app. You should also update Cash Giraffe through your device's official app store. Running the latest version helps avoid compatibility issues that could interfere with account verification or feature availability. Another good idea is to check your internet connection before opening the app. A temporary connection problem can sometimes prevent account information from syncing correctly, making troubleshooting more confusing. One common mistake is creating multiple accounts to bypass the restriction. Using additional accounts can violate an app's terms, and may lead to further account problems instead of solving the original issue. Another mistake is clearing app data or uninstalling the app repeatedly. Those steps rarely make an account appear older, and can sometimes remove locally stored information that the app needs during normal operation. If the message continues even after you've been actively using the app for some time, contact Cash Giraffe support through the official help or support section inside the app. Include a screenshot of the message and explain when it appears so the support team can review your account. The biggest takeaway is that an account is too new message is usually tied to account eligibility rather than a technical failure. Using the same account, keeping the app updated, and continuing normal activity are the safest ways to move forward. If this guide helped you fix the Cash Giraffe account is too new message, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe tutorials, reward app tips, and troubleshooting guides.